is a slightly different project. We have got a set of steps that need reconfiguring because one, they are old and tired, and two, the treads, the height and the tread on the steps are inconsistent, and there is a slope, and in winter it gets slippery. It's got loose slabs. So if you have a look at these steps here, what we're going to do, as you can see, they stick out from the brand new wall, they overhang. You've got 4 fairly consistent steps, and then it goes into step 5, which is about 950 in length, and then obviously you've got this immense slope over here, and we've got this corner tile which fortunately didn't hurt anyone, but potentially could. And as you look at them with their nice new wall, they want the steps to match in with the wall, look consistent. So what we're going to do is we're going to strip all of this out. We're going to take all the tiles off, dispose of the tiles. We are going to dig across the front, and we're going to dig these steps back, and then we are going to work these steps. We're going to build our brickwork in, cut our 900s tiles, and put them down for new steps. We're going to point it the same as the existing top patio area up there. This is a client's, we worked on these clients' home 8 years ago and did their patio, so they've called us back to do this front. Yeah, so their patio's been down for 8 years, and we are now back to do this piece of work, which is always a good sign. So we're going to get cracking, we're going to start stripping stuff up, and we're going to show you some progress. Thank you. Project over in Surrey. We have the steps, they have been built, and we have got this area up here which we have laid. The whole job has been completely installed, and I think you'll agree that steps are a lot more manageable and it is a lot nicer to use. What a fantastic installation. Obviously taking everything out, putting it all back. If you like what you see, please get in contact via the website. Please get in contact via Instagram, Facebook. Thank you very much for watching the video rather. And yeah, we will see you on the next one.